Thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. It is a weather action day as we kick off a new round of excessive heat warnings today and tomorrow. Those alerts in effect as those high temperatures will once again end up right around 110 degrees for the valley and even hotter to our west, with morning temperatures only cooling into the 80s each day. This morning, our temperatures down into just the 80s, and by this afternoon, we're looking for a high of 110 degrees. Now, today's record 113, so we'll end up just 3 degrees shy of today's record high temperature, and tomorrow we'll get a little closer as the record still 113 for tomorrow's date and the forecast 111 degrees for Saturday. So a couple of sizzling hot days. You'll want to make sure that you're hydrating, of course, and avoiding the outdoors if you can as much as possible, especially during the heat of the day in the afternoons. Today's highs will end up again right around 110 in most spots. Phoenix, Sky Harbor hits 110, 110 in Maricopa, Laveen, Goodyear, Surprise, and Buckeye. We'll hit 109 in Tempe, 108 in Scottsdale and in Apache Junction. And in western Arizona, look at how hot it's going to get. Lake Havasu 115, 114 in Bullhead City, and Yuma up to 112 degrees. Triple digit heat in Kingman today too. Low 90s in Payson, upper 90s today in Sedona, with mid 80s in Flagstaff. Overnight lows cooling into the 50s to 60s across northern and northeast Arizona. 70 for a low in Page, 72 in Sedona, and Phoenix will drop down to about 87 degrees tonight. So tomorrow morning, a fairly warm start again, but many spots in the valley down into the mid 80s to kick off our Saturday. Then tomorrow afternoon, a high again of 111 degrees, and we're still under that excessive heat warning. Now, today's storm chances confined to the eastern rim and White Mountains, also in southeast Arizona, where we could see a few storms. I think there's a chance a few storms will move towards that higher terrain in northeastern Maricopa County, but the valley looking to stay dry as those storms will fall apart before they move in. So you'll notice through the afternoon, storms not as widespread as what we've seen the last couple days, but a few scattered storms will be possible, especially along the eastern rim, White Mountains from Payson to Globe. A chance for thunderstorms. They'll come close into those mountains in northern Maricopa County, but I don't think the valley is going to get in on any of that rain. If anything, we just see a few brief passing clouds once those storms begin to fall apart. Now today, no rain. Tomorrow, I did introduce a 10% chance for storms, but it's late tomorrow night when we may get an isolated shower or storm. The better chances kick in on Sunday as we get that area of high pressure into the Four Corners region that will help bring those storms off the higher terrain and into the valley. There's a chance of it at least every afternoon and evening. Sunday, Labor Day as well, and through the middle of next week with an isolated chance for storms by Thursday still. Those high temperatures, though, will be lower because of that higher monsoon moisture, down to near 105 to 106 each afternoon through the middle of next week.